A year ago, I became interested in becoming more self-reliant with completing tasks like repairs and decor around my home. So I turned to the internet to explore my options. As I searched the internet, I began to see a lot of projects that you could do on your own start to surface. These projects were called DIY projects that would teach me how to perform small household repairs or simple hobby tasks in the comfort of my own home. So today I'm going to share with you what I know about DIY projects and the positive impacts that they can have on you and in your home. DIY projects helps others become more self-reliant, teaches you to perform small household repairs and simple hobby projects, and sometimes saves time and money. According to Greg Behink in Al Communications, DIY projects used to perform tasks such as small household repairs without hiring someone to do so pushes them to become more self-reliant. Imagine being able to complete a DIY repair in your home, which seemed impossible without the help of contractors, large expenses, and the inconvenience of time spent. Well, that is just what DIY projects do. They give you the feeling of comfort in being able to complete any repair on your own, big or small. As important as it is to become self-reliant in household repairs, people also love the process of learning how to complete the repairs and where to find the information. According to Michael Mackey and Harvey C. Perkins in Housing Theory and Society, if there are repairs needed in your home and you simply do not know how to fix them, there are ways to find DIY repairs online that will teach you how to do so step by step. These DIY repairs will provide you with step-by-step instructions to repair or create the things you are wanting to attempt on your own and list materials needed to complete them. You find this information through online resources well known for DIY projects. The two most known websites to search are YouTube and Pinterest. YouTube provides actual video of materials used and steps taken to get the repairs or projects done with understanding. These videos can be watched as much as you like. Then we have Pinterest that helps you to find that edge or creative idea to add to a hobby project that makes you stand out more. It is important to know how to complete a DIY project and where to get the information, just as it is to know that they save time and money. According to Rado Mack and Megan Bowler in the Mid-Press, during DIY projects, sometimes it is important the way you spend time. When doing DIY projects, you get to work at your own pace. You don't have to worry about someone else getting it done in a timely manner that you have set. They are easy and fast to complete. When it comes to saving money, we all like to save, and DIY projects are sometimes cost efficient. You save a lot on labor costs and materials used, which can sometimes be found in your home. As I said before, I became a DIY person when I took interest in home decor and saw the outcomes of saving time, materials that I found in my own home while becoming self-reliant in doing so. I may have not taught anyone how to do a DIY project, but I did do several on my own, and I find them very interesting.